Good morning, I'm Ira Hardy with Delta Controls here at AHR 2024 in Chicago. And what we have right here is our IntelliWeb, which is Delta's front-end software, which allows our customers to integrate with different products in the space and show you what's going on real time. If you take a look, this is actually our Delta Fremont headquarters in the United States for Delta Electronics. So you can actually see real-time zoning in the space on different floors. You can actually see the actual HVAC products we have in the space. You can actually build graphics to show the air handlers that are actually on property at the location. And you can even see the lighting schedule as part of that information as well. Also, we're going to do a more in-depth demo on our IntelliWeb front-end software. As you can see here on this screen, we've got a dashboard. Now, what's really interesting about our IntelliWeb software is you can actually add what we call widgets to show on the dashboard what's important to you. So if you're in operations, if you're in sales, if you're in management, you can actually customize this dashboard to show things like the weather. You can actually see we've got Chicago here. This actually shows you an alarm list. This also actually shows you a log of what's going on, and I'm actually going to go into detail of some of those sections now. Here on the left-hand side, you can actually see where we've got dashboards, navigation, graphics, alarms, reports, and access control. Here you can actually see the different I/O points in the actual controllers that we have set up here in our booth. We have a graphics section here where you can actually see what the floor plan looks like. You can actually see what's happening in those different zones. We have an alarm section where you can actually see the alarms that are going on in your building or in the space. You can actually go to those alarms and actually assign someone, like a technician, to the specific alarm. And then once they go in and address it, it'll actually show in the IntelliWeb that alarm has been taken care of and who did it at what time. In the access control section, we actually have an access control setup over there where we have one of our controllers with an access control module. And you guys can also see the smart card reader over there. In IntelliWeb, you can actually assign users with different levels. So you're able to see who that person is, what level of access they have throughout the building, when someone scans their card to get into a door, when someone scans to get out of that door, and what time and where. We also have a report section. What's really nice about the report is you can actually pick what information, whether it's energy information, if it's alarm information, you can send that to a person and you can send it to them at any particular time. All you have to do is add that person's email address, what time you want the report to be sent, and then you can actually decide whether you want it to be sent via Excel, via Word, or via PDF. And that's just another example of our IntelliWeb system. We hope that you'll come over and see us at AHR 2024. We'd love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much.